I'm gonna ride slow. I traveled about 900 kilometers. Okay, let's go guys. We are all set up. 5 a.m. Still there is no sign of sun getting up. I'm not sure how like well settled the luggage is, but I'm pretty sure I have tightly buckled it up, so I'm not that much worried. But there is this little bit of you know, काळजी असते थोडीशी सामानाची. Fueled up, and I don't think I'm gonna need to fuel up again. No, I think I will. In so many videos that states that Classic gives mileage of no more than a 30 or no more than a 32 and all, but I'm not kidding. I got a mileage of 37. Okay, and I'm not even kidding. So you can do the math. Basically, in overall journey of that 3 days, right, I traveled about 900 kilometers, and the total cost of fuel that I paid was around I think 2300. So just do the calculations. I've done that. I don't remember it now correctly, but yeah, the approximate is 36 and 37 kmpl. It's just depend on your riding style actually. If you're revving too much in a high RPM, so definitely you will get less mileage. But if you're just cruising on a lower RPM, or like not just a lower RPM as well, because that is harmful for your bike as well, just the perfect that sweet spot you have to identify. I'm gonna ride slow because I definitely there are a bunch of speed breakers here, and I cannot risk it. The college I'm saying, the luggage is there. So typical Maharashtra nature I have. In every 2 minutes I'm checking for my luggage. ऐसे चेक कर रहा हूँ जैसे कि सोना है वहाँ पे. कुछ नहीं है, कच्चे पड़े हैं बस, कच्चे. The last time I counted the speed breakers on this highway, just about 10 kilometers of back, so I counted at about 29 or 30 something. After that I got tired, and this is the kind of life I want. You know, stress free. I am not saying that they are stress free, but what I'm trying to say is, so I am from an IT sector, right? So I just know the amount of pressure that is putting on your, you know, you are putting on your brain. So you cannot actually sustain that much amount of pressure on your brain for a longer period of time, that is. मेरा प्लान एक ही है भाई, क्या कैसे भी करो, कुछ भी करो, 50 तक इतने पैसे कमा लो, पट्टे पैसे कमा लो भाई, ताकि 50 के बाद काम ना करना पड़े. क्योंकि 50 के बाद कितने ही साल उड़ते हैं इंसान के पास ना. तो मतलब वी कैन काउंट इट अबाउट लाइक व्हाट, लाइक 10 years of 10 years of life in which you can actually do something with your body. But after 60, you know, the body cannot keep up with your desires. So वही है, 50 तक पट्टे पैसे कमा लो, कुछ भी करके, कैसे भी गाँव करके. हाँ, मतलब चोरी चकारी मत करना, के दम पे पैसे कमाओ और थोड़ा बहुत एंजॉय भी कर लो. लेट्स जस्ट टेक अ ब्रेक हियर. Finally, the leaves are over and I'm leaving my native It's a hard feeling actually. After 5 days, the entire family was together, and now everyone will part ways and carry on with their day-to-day lives and work. But yeah, these are the things that that truly makes me happy actually. The entire family comes together and celebrate like any festival, be it any festival. So it's not like I'm gonna visit in 6 months or year, but next month itself I'll try to come again, because Holi is one of the biggest festival in Konkan. Not Holi specifically, but we call it Shimga. So most probably the entire family will come together next month as well. But yeah, till then, I mean, it's really hard feeling to, but what can we do? Everything is so nice here, so relaxed, so slow paced. No one is in hurry.